DentistConsultationHub for the primary reason that I practice dentistry. I have been a dentist for almost 3 decades, and one of the biggest problems in dentistry, especially for patients who have multiple dental conditions, they can certainly relate to what I'm talking about here, is when they go see a dentist, they become very confused and overwhelmed of the various type of dental conditions that are present and so forth, and often they have to go see different specialists for different consultations and so forth. So what I decided to do was to create a hub where, number one, the patients receive an unbiased and independent opinion. And the reason I say unbiased is because of the fact that many times when patients visit a dentist, okay, the dentist can give a treatment plan to the patient based on their knowledge and skills. And you and I both know that dentists, they're not all created equal, as lawyers are not the same, and as accountants and engineers are not all the same, and they all have certain strengths and weaknesses. So often we see a dentist may recommend a 3-unit porcelain bridge for a patient because of the fact that they don't have enough experience in an implant, or they may recommend a sinus bone grafting for a patient because they don't have enough experience in using short implants or in certain complex treatments such as all-on-4 to place an angled implant to avoid the sinuses and so forth. So we thought it is absolutely important for patients to have transparent, clear, unbiased dental opinion from a panel of dentists that they can rely on, and they can take that report to a dentist office and be able to get what they need. And what's important here is that part of our services is to match the dental condition of the patient to the qualification of the dentist, because we have dentists that are pre-screened through our program, because certainly we are able to ask dentists certain questions that a patient will never be able to ask, okay, because they don't have the background or they don't know how to ask it and so forth. And we have dentists on our team that we have checked their x-rays, we have checked their work history and so forth, so we know they're highly qualified to place that implant, to do that smile makeover for the patients and so forth. And this is absolutely important for patients, so they do not make any wrong choices. Not that the dentists are not skilled, but there are many dentists out there that they may be claiming they're implant dentists, but they may be placing single implants. It becomes quite different and complex when you have someone who needs to place 5 or 6 implants. I always use this example as if you hire a contractor to build a single family home for you, and then one day you have lots of money and you want to build a high-rise. Are you able to use the same contractor? Probably not, because his knowledge and skill is for that single family home, not for a high-rise. And the same thing goes for the dentists. There are dentists that are absolutely skilled in managing all aspects of the patients, okay? And it's important for the patients to understand that and to be matched carefully to that. The second part of our company is that we have introduced an artificial intelligence to our company, where the patients can send us their x-rays and photos and so forth. So through the artificial intelligence, we can double check some of the things that may be missed by human eye error. So this is an exciting, and we welcome any consultation to our hub, and we provide various type of services. I forgot to mention this. We do new consultations, we do second opinion. We also do what is called dispute resolution, because again, a lot of times there's a dispute between patients and dentists over something as small, and instead of taking it immediately to a lawyer, I think it's always great if another dentist can take a look at it and be able to represent the patient or represent the dentist, vice versa. And so we look at ourselves as somewhat an outsourced peer review committee for dental practices, but also we help patients to resolve their disputes with the doctors and so forth.